how to fix the weather widget not showing the temperature information on the iPhone lock screen. So there are a number of things that may cause this issue. So first, let's return back to the home screen. On the home screen, first you want to open up the Weather Widget app. Now sometimes it may ask you to allow access to location. If it does not, that's fine. So open it up first. Then after that, we go into settings. And in settings, we scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Now in here, tap on location services. Then we scroll down and tap on weather. So tap on that and then choose while using the app or while using the apps or widgets. So tap on that to turn on or grant access to location. Then tap on the back key. Now if you do not see the weather app in here, then simply go to your home screen or in your app library and simply just open up the weather app, and that will grant the access to the location where you can provide permission access. Okay, so after that, you can go back to your lock screen and try and see if it works. Now here you can see on my lock screen, it now shows the weather temperature information. Other thing that may cause the issue is background app refreshed. So in here, you want to go into settings, then tap on general. Okay, so go into general and then tap on background app refresh. And down here, you want to look for the weather app. So let's see if it's in here or not. So it looks like it's not in here. So background app refresh, it's set to Wi-Fi and cellular. Make sure it is not set to off. If there is a weather app displaying in here, you want to make sure it is turned on. At the moment, it is not showing in the list. And from your lock screen, if it still does not work, what you can do is try to re-add it. So we go into touch and hold on the lock screen to go into edit mode. Okay, and then tap on customize. Then simply delete the widget and re-add it back in. And then we close it, tap on done. And that's it. Hopefully that will fix your problem. Thank you for watching this video.